Canada now finds itself delayed and behind most other G7 countries and nations with a total population of 2.7 billion people. Will all of these people receive vaccines before all of Canada has the opportunity? In the G20, Canada seems to be the only one with no clear plan for vaccine distribution. Without a concrete timeline for vaccines, businesses won't have the confidence to reinvest in their operations, to rehire Canadians who've been laid off during the pandemic. Without a reliable timeline or details, provinces have the impossible task of establishing complex supply chains with no lead time, without knowing when they can expect a vaccine delivery. Simply put, Canada still has no plan for receiving and distributing a vaccine. And without a plan for vaccines, there is no plan to fully reopen the economy. Justin Trudeau and his government has failed, and he's setting up the provinces to fail too, through his China delays, secrecy, and incompetence. Today, the Conservatives are putting forward an important motion because Canadians deserve certainty, clarity, and competence. Notre parti présente une motion qui va demander
Our motion is tabling a motion that will demand certainty and clarity and requiring that we protect Canadians.
Of Canadians first by sharing how each type of vaccine will be safely delivered to Canada, stored, and distributed. Canadians deserve to know the date on which each vaccine type will first be deployed in Canada and the rate of vaccinations anticipated by month. As for a plan, provinces and health partners across the country need to know any intended federal guidance with respect to the deployment of the vaccine by priority group, such as frontline health workers and seniors. Canadians deserve to know the plan for the distribution of vaccine to Indigenous Canadians, members of the Canadian Armed Forces and their families, and veterans, each of which fall under federal health jurisdiction. This is common sense. In the middle of this historic health crisis, this government should not be operating behind closed doors. Before Christmas, Canadians deserve the hope that will come with a plan to roll out a vaccine to help us turn the corner in COVID-19 in the new year.